the best supplements, herbs and teas to help heal your skin from acne. My name is Peggy Schimmer from peggyschimmer.com. Welcome to Gut Feelings, the channel where we help you heal your digestion so you can live an energized and joyful life. And today's theme is all about how you can boost up the healing process with acne through specific supplements, herbs and teas. The main objective in healing acne is boosting your immune system and reducing strep, reducing these resistant strep strains out of your lymphatic system and your liver. So whatever food we eat, whatever supplement we take, it's all directed in the way of boosting your immune system to get stronger so your body can heal naturally from acne. Because that's what it does. If the body has the chance, it always works for us, never against us. So acne, just to summarize, is not hormonal, nothing wrong with your hormone production, and it's not the fault of any of your dead skin cells or an overproduction of sebum in your skin. Let's start off with the supplements. Supplements, there are two key supplements that I recommend you to take in addition to changing your diet, including more foods that help you heal your acne naturally and exclude foods that work against your immune system and feed bad bacteria in your system. If you haven't watched the video on how to not treat acne and which foods to avoid and which foods to eat, make sure you check that out. This is coming up in the top. This is the video. If you have watched it already, great. So now let's jump into the two supplements that I recommend for you. Well, the first one you have heard me talking about a lot in other videos already. That's zinc. Zinc is a key player in healing and strengthening your immune system. No mineral more powerful than zinc. You can never go wrong with zinc. That's just because almost everybody is deficient in zinc, and for your immune system, to boost your immune system, this is the best way to go forward. It's also highly antibacterial. That means it really fights against these resistant strep strains and speeds up the healing process so much more. It's also awesome for your nervous system if you have things like anxiety happening. And what it also does is it actually helps healing the damaged liver cells and damaged cells in your digestive system. Important. Now, my speech around supplements, how to take them. With zinc, it's even more important to take a supplement that has high bioavailability. What does it mean? So the normal zinc supplements that you get, they are inactive. Your body doesn't know what to do with it. Our body is not made for just taking isolated supplements. That's not how we function. So the normal zinc supplements that you get are actually great if you would be a plant. Because what plants do is they go down with their roots into the soil and extract inorganic zinc. That's what they do. And other minerals, of course. And then, powerful as they are, magical beings, they transform this zinc into an ionized organic form from zinc. This form is absorbable for the human body because we're not meant to eat supplements, we're meant to eat plants, fruits, vegetables, things like that. So when we eat vegetables and fruits, there's this zinc which is an ionic zinc, organic and absorbable for our body. Most of the zinc supplements are unfortunately in this inorganic form. That's why I'm so much fan of this one, because it only contains water and ionic zinc sulfate. You only need a few drops. How to take that? If you got this from Good State, that's the best one. I put you a link down in the description below. If you start out with that, some people are a bit sensitive to zinc when they start out. I would start with 3 drops in a glass of water. Take that. If you don't have any feelings of dizziness or stuff like that, then you can go for 5 drops twice per day. This is like 10 drops altogether. That's the perfect doses. You don't need to go higher with that. You just keep going until the bottle is empty, basically. And you will see, if you follow the tips that I give you around food, which foods to avoid and which supplements to take, you're going to see really, really quick improvements. Often within a week, you see like the skin is healing, the scar tissue is healing. But just be patient with it. Strep needs a while to get out of the lymphatic system because it's really entrained in the cells. Second supplement is often heard, but we don't get enough of it, vitamin C. Same speech as before. Vitamin C, you need a vitamin C supplement which is in an active form. So for vitamin C, it's really easy. The best way is plant and fruit based. What I recommend is an acerola cherry powder, can also be a capsule. I put you a link down below for the best one that I found. And for vitamin C, this is such a powerful weapon against strep if you take it massively. And in any case, it can't be this kind of ascorbic acid, which is just isolated, because that's really hard on your digestive system. It's very acid, very aggressive, so make sure it comes from a fruit. In addition, I recommend you to eat daily amounts of 300 grams of berries, cherries, berries, whatever you can get hold on, and of course bananas. Both are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. Now, let's jump into the herb section. There are 2 herb supplements that I recommend for you because they are both incredibly powerful for healing strep, fighting against strep, and also strengthening the connected organs, the lymphatic system, the liver, digestive tract, immune system, to make them stronger, to heal acne naturally. The first one is golden seal. It's also known as orange root. It comes from the buttercup family. It's native in Canada and in eastern US. And this root, so it's golden seal root, is incredibly powerful as a natural antibiotic. Strep is in bacteria, so anything that is highly antibiotic is awesome for your acne. Here the recommendation is to just use golden seal for maximum to 2 weeks. I put you down there a tincture, a golden seal tincture that you can take internally, that is alcohol free, important for your liver. You don't want to stress your liver with alcohol. Golden seal is great help for getting rid of the strep, but also as a digestive aid if you have problems with constipation, for example, and it really boosts your immune system at the same time. The second one is oregano oil. This is oregano here, if you see. You can take it as a herb, that's great if you can include it in the kitchen. The benefit of oregano oil is that it's so multi-purpose. You can use it for anything. It's antiseptic, it's antifungal, it's antibacterial, it's antiviral. Oregano oil should really be, even if you don't have acne, part of your little pharmacy cabinet that you have in your home, for emergency remedies. Oregano oil in a study has shown that it kills 99% of strep. If you have a resistant strep strain isolated and then you add some oregano oil, it kills 99%. It's the strongest antibiotical herb that you can get anywhere. So make sure you've got oregano oil at home. A way to use it is you can take it internally. That's recommended if you have acne. Take it internally to kill off the strep and to detox your lymphatic system. You take 3 drops. It's highly concentrated oregano oil. Never take it just pure, it will burn. 3 drops in a glass of water and drink that twice per day. So you have 6 drops all together per day. And this is something you can take over a longer period of time. Not like golden seal. There you have to have 2 weeks and then you have a pause. Another way to use oregano oil is to use it in a bath. You add 10 to 15 drops of oregano oil, and what it does there, it helps your skin heal from outside because it's also antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal on your skin. So in case you have skin problems with fungus happening or you have the acne in the face or in the back, that's a great way to help from outside with the oregano oil. And it's also great if you have muscle pain, if you have rheumatic problems. The third way to use oregano oil is as aromatherapy. To put it in an aromatherapy lamp and just inhale the steam. That will help your respiratory tract to clear up, especially if you have things like blocked sinus, if you have tired eyes, you have a cold, you have a sore throat. Problems like that will be greatly benefiting from oregano oil from aromatherapy. Okay, so the 2 power herbs that we discussed were golden seal root and oregano oil, and the 2 supplements we heard before were zinc and vitamin C. Now let's look into the more common things, teas that you can drink over the day that help improve your acne as well. So the first one there, and there are 4 teas that I recommend. The first one is lemon balm tea. Lemon balm tea helps rebuilding your immune system. It's killing strep, and it's also helping if you have Epstein-Barr viruses and any other virus infections happening in your body. Apart from being antiviral and antibacterial, lemon balm actually, as the name already says, it says lemon balm, helps to give you a feeling of calmness. It's also often recommended as a tea for children to help them sleep better, to feel more like emotional security. So lemon balm really on a spiritual level also has this kind of holding quality. It gives you safety, very gentle herb. The taste is very enjoyable. Just make a pot of tea and then you drink it throughout the day. Take it to work. You can also drink it cold in the summer. It's really refreshing tea. So make sure you include some lemon balm. The second one is licorice root. If you have high blood pressure, that's the only contraindication. If not, you can enjoy licorice root tea, also energizing, supports your immune system. And the two last teas that are very common are peppermint tea and chamomile. Both antiviral, antibacterial. You can get them anywhere, drink them throughout the day. What I love to do is, like, before I go to bed, I have either a lemon balm tea or I have a peppermint chamomile tea. Yeah, I combine that, tastes quite nice. And it helps me de-stress and really get ready for bed and then have a great sleep. Supplements, herbs and teas for supporting your acne, they are only supportive. So you have to make sure you avoid the foods that I discussed in the video before and you eat ample amounts of the other foods like berries, green leafy vegetables, garlic, things like that. So supplements are only supportive. The two supplements that I recommend are zinc, a bioactive zinc, that's this one, the best one. And then we have vitamin C in ample amounts apart from eating cherries and berries. The two herbal supplements are golden seal root, orange root and oregano oil, taking internally and also externally. And then 4 supportive teas are lemon balm, licorice root, peppermint and chamomile. If you haven't checked out the videos about what are the causes, what are the underlying causes for acne and which foods to eat, make sure you click down below. I also love to welcome you in our community. Hitting the subscribe button will help with that. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.